Alright, how's it going? Let's do a quick unboxing here. This is a Spyderco Shaman. Not what's in my hand, but what I'm unboxing. What's in my hand is a Bodacious that I got not too long ago. I'm not a big Spyderco fanboy. But I saw a Shaman at a good price. Thought I'd pick one up just to compare it. Then, of course, I found another one, an exclusive one, at a better price, so I ordered it. So this will probably end up being up for sale, one of the Discords. This isn't a big review or anything, just a quick unboxing, my quick thoughts on it. And so far, I'm already liking it a bit. You know what all's in here, sticker and all that fun stuff. But let me put this, and we'll leave that out. So the biggest difference is the contouring and of course the finger choil. Front roll is a little more comfortable because when you front roll this, your skin hits the edge of that, so it's actually kind of nice to it works, but just not that great. But I love the Bodacious, fits my hand very well. The Shaman, so it's more of a choke up hold, which makes the blade, the working edge, a little bit shorter, which is kind of nice. I like a knife with a full handle and a nice short working edge. But I don't know. I like it. It's not bad. I'm not a big choke up person, but you know, this isn't bad. I still think I might prefer the Bodacious over the Shaman. Just, I have an extra large hand and this just seems to fit really nice. It's not contoured, but it doesn't hurt. It's nice and thin. Seems like it's a hair lighter. Maybe they're probably the same. I don't know. Let's check real quick. .1 ounces. 4.4 ounces. Yeah, so the Bodacious is a little lighter, but it doesn't feel, it's not like a pyrite light that feels cheap because it's so light, in my opinion. I know everyone loves those. I hate them. That's why I only have 4. But as far as Shaman versus Bodacious, I think I prefer the Bodacious. I think I will keep one of these. I'll probably sell this one. Over the weekend I found this is just S30V. I'll have to try them out, get, you know, maybe do another quick comparison video after I carry them for a while and use them. But I found a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive for $205, so I couldn't pass it up. So that's probably the one I'll keep. I don't know. I'll probably wait until I have both of them in hand and get rid of the one I like least. But it's S45VN, and I have no problem at all with S30V. I actually would prefer that. I know the Shaman collectors like the Spy 37 or Spy 27 and Rex 121, all that fancy stuff. And there's no problem with that. To each their own. If I was a big Spyderco collector, I might try to get as many variations as I could. Try that front row again. It's a little awkward doing this with the camera there. Plus, to me it seems like Spydercos always need a little breaking in to be pretty smooth. This isn't bad at all. I'm just not used to it yet. But everyone knows the specs. They're about the same. Just this has the finger choil, this doesn't. As far as carrying, they're going to be pretty similar. They're going to go in the pocket about the same. So that's just my quick first impression. I think I still prefer the Bodacious. I could get used to this. Is that blade thicker? Might be slightly, not much. It's darker, so it looks a little different. A little more mass because there's less ground away. Oh, and this, I noticed on mine, the edge goes all the way up to the plunge grind. And I've seen some that are like this. The edge doesn't go all the way to the plunge. I'm not gonna do much precision work or anything, but it's just something I noticed. I know the early ones I seen, all of them, none of them had the grind that goes up to the plunge. So I still don't know if this is just luck of the draw and some of them go all the way to the plunge and some don't. It could be remedied either way with some grinding on the sharpening stone or what have you. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't hate it. Even though Spydercos are ugly, the Shaman and the Bodacious are clearly the best looking Spydercos. This is my first one. I got it just because this is definitely the ugliest one I own. This is my whole Spyderco collection right now. But these are very inexpensive. I got these chroma scales. They're only 30 bucks with the bead and the CME, compression made easy, which I need to get for whichever of those I keep. I like this more than I want to admit, but these just look ugly. They take all that material away, so basically you have a blade that's the working blade, structurally isn't very big. Sure, there's some structure in there, but I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry about rambling. It's what I do. Watch for a video coming out very, very soon on the new Kaiser Rays designed by Mark Perez. I just got notification that it's at my P.O. box. So I'm going to have to go down there and pick that up. Have a good day.